Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here doing yet another installment of my declutter series, and I decided to tackle my Bath & Body Works body sprays and lotions today. So, as you can see, I have a little bit of a problem. The fact that most of these are pretty much brand new is the problem. I love to gather them, and then I never seem to use them. So we really need to do some cutting back. I would like to donate a lot of these to our local women's shelter, give some to friends and family. So let's just get started. If you guys like declutter videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you have missed any of my previous declutters, I will link the declutter playlist in the description box below. And let's just get started because I really want to get through this stuff so I can finish my dinner. So I'm just going to go in order of where I grabbed them. The first one I see here is Twisted Peppermint. This is my favorite scent by Bath & Body Works. Obviously, I don't really use this as a body spray, but I will be using this as a room spray or something like that. I really enjoy this scent and I want to keep this one for sure. This next one down here is an OG, as you can see, because it's in the old packaging. This one's in the scent Twilight Woods, and I used to really love this scent, but it just it's just not there for me anymore. I feel like if it's gone, I won't miss it or think of using it, so I am going to pass this on, I think, because I did love it for a long time, but it's just time. I haven't reached for it in a very long time. It's time to let it go. This next one is Sunset by the Pool. This one, it's very fruity, but it's not something that's so unique that I feel like I need to keep it around. A very heavy peach note to it as well, and again, I don't really reach for it all that much, so I think I'm gonna let this one go as well. Up here we have 1,000 Wishes. I love the scent of this around the holidays. It smells wonderful. This one I may actually keep on hand because I do really love the way this smells. It smells really fruity and delicious and very festive, so this one I actually might hold on to. Then we have this little guy of White Citrus. I've never used this as a body spray. I use this as room sprays, especially this scent because it's such a fresh, clean scent. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna hold on to this. I'm already like halfway done and I get through these pretty quickly if I really focus on them, so I think I'm gonna keep this as a room spray and just kind of power through. I really like the way it smells. This next scent is again one of the OGs. Look at that bottle, guys. Look at that bottle. This is Coconut Mango, and although I love the scent of coconut in the summertime, I hate the scent of mango. So this guy is going to be passed along to somebody else. All right, this next one is Honolulu Sun, and this one definitely has coconut, but it also has like pineapple and other nicer scents, a little bit more floral than the mango one. I actually really like this in the summertime. It's a very light, sweet fragrance, so I may actually hold on to this guy. And this is Malibu Heat, and I do like this scent. I just feel like I don't go crazy with this type of scent in the summertime. I don't know, it's just I don't wear heavier scents in the summertime, and I feel like this is kind of heavy in like the sweet floral department, so I think this one I'm gonna pass on and just keep Honolulu Sun. This is Peach and Honey Almond, and this one it does smell nice. It's kind of like a bakery scent. It has that sweet almond in there. It's just not my favorite, and I would rather pass it on than to hoard it and just never use it, so I'm gonna also pass this guy along too. My nose is getting stuffy from smelling all of these. This is Orchard Leaves and Blue Sky. I have the body wash of this, and oh my god, you guys, this smells so good as a room spray. I would never put this on my body, but it has that like masculine, almost cologne type scent, and it is amazing in the fall for a room spray. So I'm gonna keep this one, but not use it for its intended purposes. This next one is Sheer Cotton and Lemonade. I love this fragrance. This is one of the ones that I would pick out. If all of my fragrances got lost out of this collection right here, I would repurchase this one probably first. I love it, so it is not going anywhere. This next one is Cashmere Glow. This one's really sweet. I picked this up around the holidays and I haven't really had a chance to play with it at all, so I actually think I'm gonna hold on to this and test it out and see what I actually think about it. So I'm gonna hold on to that one as well. Okay, upon further smelling, I actually decided instead I'm going to be keeping Sunset by the Pool and putting Sweet Summer Kiss in the donate pile. I do really like this scent. It was this one that I was thinking of when I smelled it that I wasn't really a huge fan of. So I am going to be keeping this guy and getting rid of Sweet Summer Kiss. And these last four over here, they're kind of sort of like staples in my collection, not gonna lie. Dark Kiss. This is one of like a cult favorite for Bath & Body Works, and I do still have one remaining body spray. It's very sweet, it's very feminine, but it's also unisex, and I love this. So that guy is going to sit right there. Liquid Sunshine I picked up very recently actually, and I really enjoy it for a summer scent. So I would like to use it this summer and then decide afterwards whether I want to keep it. This one has always been my summer scent. That's why it's a little bit more used than all the others. This is Sunkissed Days. Again, I believe this is discontinued. It is one of my favorite summer scents to wear when I don't want to wear a heavy perfume. So I'm going to hold on to that guy. I know you guys are like, gosh, you're not getting rid of anything, but I really am. And then this one here is Pink Cashmere, which is a very fresh, very spring-like, feminine, floral fragrance. So there was a lot of F's in there, but I really, really like this one, and I do want to hold on to this one as well. So this is the, we are going to be keeping a pile right there. And over here, we're going to be getting rid of 5. So I don't feel like I did too bad. I know I could do better, but a lot of these I haven't even really tried yet, and I do want to give them a fair shot before I declutter them. If I do declutter any, I will obviously update you guys and let you know in the next declutter video that I film, but for now, I think this is good, at least to start. On to the body creams. All right, you guys, I wasn't kidding when I said we had a Bath & Body Works lotion overload. I do have one in use currently in the scent Sugar Plum Berry, but that one will be gone shortly. This is my favorite type of Bath & Body Works lotion. I don't like the original lotions. I like these thick Ultra Shea or Triple Moisture body creams, but these also tend to go bad faster than the actual lotions, so I feel like having this many, even though I do use them almost every single night on a very large portion of my body, I still feel like this is just too much, especially because I'm on a complete no-buy. I'm not going to need anything for a long time, so I don't need to hoard all of this stuff. And I don't know, I don't feel the need to have it all. So we're going to go through and I'm going to pick out what I'm going to give away. All of these are brand new. Not a single one of these has ever been used other than maybe just to put a little teeny drop on my arm to test the scent. So these will definitely go to good homes if they leave my collection, but we're going to go through and see what I want and what I don't. Okay guys, I took a big bite of pizza. I'm sorry, it's so gross that I'm chewing in your ear, but I'm starving. Okay, so we're just going to start over here. This is Peach and Honey Almond Triple Moisture Body Cream. I like the scent of this. This one is Summer Peaches, Mimosa Flowers, and Honeyed Almonds wrapped in creamy vanilla and clementine. I do like this, but I feel like I have so many scents that are similar to it that it's not something that I absolutely need, so I'm going to pass this one along. Then we have Fresh Sparkling Snow, which is Iced Pear, Frozen Melon, Winter Apple, Snowdrop Blossom, and Frosted Musk. Again, I just really feel like I have so many scents that are similar to this that I don't need it, so I'm going to pass that one along too. For sure, I know I'm keeping Twisted Peppermint. Like I told you guys, it's my favorite scent by Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love this scent. It smells just like a candy cane, so this one's definitely going to stay. Also, one that's going to stay is Dark Kiss, because like I told you again, this is a discontinued scent, and it's beautiful. I love it, so I do want to hold on to that one. One that I would actually get rid of, this is Be Joyful, and before my Project Pan that is happening right now, where I am trying to pan this body spray, I would have kept this because I love the way this smells, but now that I've had to force myself to use the body spray for so long, I'm kind of over the scent, so goodbye. Frosted Snow Blossom. This one is Jasmine, Gardenia Petals, Crisp Air, White Sandalwood, and Winter Musk. I actually really like the way this one smells. I think I need to test this one out and see if I still like it. If I do, I will update you guys, or if I let it go, I'll update you guys in the next declutter. So, yeah. I'm going to hold on to this just for now. Napa Valley Sunset. This is Plum, Pomegranate, and Golden Amber. I think I'm going to let this one go. It just doesn't have very strong of a scent throw, and I don't know. I just don't need... I have one that's similar to this that I'm keeping, so I'm going to let this one go. This is Carried Away. This one is Raspberries, Pear, Jasmine, Violet Petals, and Vanilla. This one's kind of hard for me. I can't decide if I want to let this one go or not. This is a really nice spring scent, but I have this in a body wash as a shower gel, so I think I'll be content with the shower gel and just let this one go. So I'm gonna let that one go too. Wow, doing good, Shay. Keep it up, girl. Lemon Pomegranate Cream. I love the way this smells. This is such a fresh, like, just sharp, beautiful scent. I definitely want to keep this one. Let's see, Champagne Apple and Honey. This one I really do like. It does smell a lot like apples. Oh, sorry. It does smell a lot like apples, and I really enjoy the sweetness that this is, so I'm going to keep this one too. Pure Paradise I actually have used a little bit before in the summer, and I do like this for the summertime, so I'm going to hold on to this one. Oh, and then we have these two. Pearberry is one of my favorites. I love the scent of pear, so I'm going to hold on to Pearberry. And then we have Vineyard Champagne Kiss. This one I'm also kind of torn about. It is berries, jasmine flower, and champagne. I do really like this one, and I think because of how many I'm getting rid of, I think I can hold on to one more. So I am going to hold on to this one. I might end up decluttering or giving one as a gift, but for now, just for now, I'm letting go of more than I thought I was going to, so it's gonna stay. So here's the final tally. I'm getting rid of these 5 and I'm keeping these 8. Like I said, I use these every single day, and I use them from my ankle to my hip and both arms, sometimes my chest. So I do use quite a bit of product every single day. It doesn't take me very long to go through one of these, so I feel like having 8 for the course of this next year is going to be just fine. They will be used up. I just don't want to hold on to scents that I'm not totally in love with, which would be these guys over here. So I feel pretty confident. There's quite a bit of a big box going over to the women's shelter, so I feel good about this. If you guys would like to see any other parts of my collection decluttered, let me know in the comments below. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any more of my declutters. Like I said, I will link my declutter series playlist in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.